You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. In English, it's a word originally from French, which is why it's pronounced that way. So if you want to learn more French words, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. We got many here. French pronunciation, bistro, bistro. Now in English, it's pronounced bistro. The stress is on the first syllable. You've got two syllable, bistro, bistro from French, bistro. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.